Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you on a 3-minute tour of RCBO, specifically the differences and applications between electronic and electromagnetic RCBO, as well as their respective functions and safety. In electrical protection equipment, RCBO is a key component to safeguard the safety of electrical circuits. Its main function is to protect the circuit against the dangers of overloads, short circuits, and leakage. RCBO has available in both electronic and electromagnetic types. Electronic RCBO has overload and short circuit protection, isolation and current protection, and rely mainly on electronic components for leakage detection and overload protection. Its advantages are high sensitivity, breaking capacity up to 10 kA, rated impact withstand voltage, 1/250ths, WIMP up to 6 kV, although it can respond quickly to small leakage currents, but it is functionally dependent on line voltage, and it has to need auxiliary power supply. When the phase or neutral line is missing, the leakage protection function will be lost and there is a risk of electric shock. It is suitable for the safety factor of the relatively stable occasions. Electromagnetic RCBO, on the other hand, provide leakage and overload protection through the electromagnetic principle. That is to say, when the leakage current occurs, the electromagnetic release of electromagnetic RCBO makes the mechanism trip and disconnect the power supply. It has strong anti-interference and anti-shock ability and does not need auxiliary power supply. When leakage occurs, electronic RCBO is transmitted to the relay after amplifier amplification, and the relay controls the switch to cut off the power supply. It has high sensitivity and small setting error, but it needs auxiliary power supply. Electronic RCBO is easily affected by power grid surge voltage and overvoltage, and its anti-interference ability is relatively poor. And if the voltage is too low, electronic RCBO might not be able to trip. So the electromagnetic RCBO is more reliable. But the price of electronic RCBO is relatively advantageous. The manufacturing difficulty is relatively small, and the mass production stability is high. To summarize, electronic and electromagnetic RCBO has their own advantages and disadvantages, and choosing the right type depends on your specific power needs. Hopefully, today's sharing will help you better understand the working principles and applications of both types of RCBO. Get to know RCBO in 3 minutes so you can be more confident and informed when choosing electrical protection equipment. Whether electronic or electromagnetic, RCBO is quietly watching over your electrical safety. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please subscribe to our channel. See you next time!